thinking about getting into drones, you say, but not sure what to buy or where to start. Look at what I found online. Okay, so it looks cool. It could very well be a piece of garbage. In today's video, we're going to find out.
Not a bad setup. So guys, we've got two batteries, the drone, smartphone holder for the controller. This I'm sure will slide in here somehow, probably like this. That's it. Pretty cool. So it comes with the controller, smartphone holder, prop guards, charger, extra props for screwdriver, 2 screws, and some extra tips for the props, cap tips for the props right there. That's pretty much what's in the box. Now let's fly this thing. Flying indoors, so we should put the prop guards on. Button, let's push it on. There we go. Okay, not so hard to fly. Props are hitting the prop guards. Yeah. Who likes prop guards? Much better without the prop guards, I will say that. Comes with an app to an Android, and see if this thing works. The app is loaded up. Now let's see if we can connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Would be, I think, I would go with that. Tap for options here, very important. Don't ask me this again. Yes, always click yes and see what happens. Play. So some of the cool features I like about this, you can take photos from snapping on the screen. Photo success. You can record, which is pretty cool. You can stop recording. Here you go through, you can see photos in the phone that you took with the drone. Go back, you can see videos in the phone that you took with the drone, which is pretty cool. You have all of that access from the app. The battery thing, I don't get it. I don't know what this is for. I've never gotten this. Maybe it's a warning level, I don't know, but every time you tap it, it changes. This here is to do flips. When you want it to do a flip, not sure what that is. This is to record sound, apparently. These are to control the drones, as you've seen before. The trim at the bottom, trim at the bottom, trim at the right. Up is to take off, down is to land. Of course, the stop button is an emergency shut off. The on and off button is for if you want to fly with the controller and you just want to see where you're going. If not, turn it on and you will have access to fly with the screen of your phone. This here is for additional stuff like FPV. Yes, you can slip this into FPV goggles if you have one and fly FPV. This is to calibrate the gyroscope in case the drone is pulling left, right. That's pretty much the controls. I'm going to take this off. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad battery life out the box without even charging it up. And pretty cool that it comes with 2 batteries. So let's charge these 2 batteries up. I think I've got a little hang of this thing. We'll take it outside and see how it works. Guys, look at the lights on this thing. Isn't this thing cool? Look at the lights on this bad boy. Like, are you kidding me? Front legs first and back legs. There you go. Set her down. Let's see how she rocks. Well, here we go. It's not really windy today, so I mean, it's easy to control. The drone is pulling a little bit to the right, I've noticed. So let's bring it back down and see if we can calibrate it. There we go. So we're gonna try the calibration over here. There's like a little spiral there. I think that calibrates the gyro. Boom, that should do it. flies a little better now. If you look at the controller right here, it has like a 3-speed. Let's go to 2 beeps, that's speed number 2. 3 beeps, that's full speed. So now full speed ahead. Let's see what this thing can do. Ready? Go. Ooh, this whole thing is fast. And it can go high. Wow, can this thing go high? Camera's not the best.
I love
Still getting transmission, but it's not the best. Let's see if I can snap a picture. It's going pretty high. Wow. Not bad. Not bad at all. Is there like a headless mode? Here's headless mode. Let's use headless mode. No, 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 no. Where's it going? Where's it going? Where's it going? Oh, let's go grab it.
What a crap.
Let's hope it doesn't get run over.
Yeah.
Okay, it's in one piece. Maybe I went too far. Leave it. I think I went too far. Hold this. Just hold that grip. Yeah. All right, let's try and. Oh. Okay, that wasn't a good idea. But why not? There we go. Whoa. Let's go.
Okay.
So we're gonna fly back. It's in one piece. And everything seems to be fine. It's flying actually really cool right now. There we go. And it's staying pretty stable. I think I lost Wi-Fi connection, but that's about it. Not bad. Okay, so we're gonna go back into the app. Let's turn these settings on. Let's oh my gosh, the app. I'm flying with the app. Wow. Okay, let's go up. Oh, you can fly with the phone. Yo, and you have a video. Oh, it's not exactly the best, but you have a video feed behind you, right? Oh, I can fly with the phone. Oh my gosh, it works actually pretty okay. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's doable. Like, it's totally doable, and you can see where you are, so that's pretty cool. Oh man, I'm so liking flying with the phone. It is so cool and easy to control, even with the phone. Like this is like a tello killer. Not really. It's like a really cool beginner's drone. This is actually my favorite beginner's drone. I recommend this overall. This is the most fun to fly of all. This is not bad at all. I mean, we're pretty high with this Wi-Fi thing. I don't want to lose it because it's so fun to fly. The battery, we haven't even burnt one battery yet, and it comes with 2 batteries, so this is totally awesome, guys. This drone is easy to control, easy to fly with the phone or with the controller. It doesn't really matter. Let me see if I can land this thing. Wow. Launch with the phone.